Welcome to the New Zealand Companies Office. My name is Maile. The New Zealand Companies Office manages the regulatory framework for corporate structures, particularly companies, financial market registers, and the Register of Personal Property Securities. We have two main objectives: to facilitate ease of doing business in New Zealand by providing simple to use and highly available corporate registers and easily accessible information, and to maintain confidence in the corporate regulatory regime through a focus on effective compliance, integrity, and taking enforcement action where necessary. In the World Bank survey, New Zealand has always ranked highly in the world for starting a business and for ease of doing business, holding the #1 ranking for starting a business for several years. The New Zealand Companies Office is part of the Ministry of Business, Innovation and Employment, or MBIE. This is the lead government agency for business in New Zealand. MBIE's objective is to grow the economy to improve the standard of living for all who live in New Zealand. The Companies Office is primarily based in Auckland, which is New Zealand's largest city with a population of 1.4 million. It is the centre for finance and industry. The Registrar, Mandy McDonald, is based in Wellington, our capital city, which is where Parliament is located. We have 47 staff, plus another 20 staff based in a call centre supporting our clients via telephone and email. This is the Companies Office website. From here, you can log in using your RealMe account details with a secure username and password. RealMe is a whole-of-government login and identity verification service. You will be directed to a dashboard where you can reserve a company name. On the company name reservation screen, there is an auto-check function that will advise you if the name is available to be reserved. The name will not be available if it is almost identical to an existing company name or it breaches the restricted word list. There is a fee of $10.22. This can be paid via credit card or direct debit. The name will be submitted to our staff to approve. If approved, the system will send a confirmation email that the name can be used to incorporate a company. Back to the dashboard. You can now choose to incorporate your company. The approved name will be available to be selected. From here, you need to add all company details: company addresses, names of directors, names of shareholders, share allocation details, constitution if applicable, company tax details if you choose to register for tax during the incorporation process, goods and services tax, GST details. You can review your application before submitting. Pay the fee of $150. After payment, the system allows you to download directors and shareholder consent forms to be signed and uploaded or sent to the Companies Office via fax. The consents will pass through an approval process and the system will send a confirmation via email. Once incorporated, your company is available to the public via an online search service. The public can view all details such as addresses, directors, and even download the Certificate of Incorporation online. The company details are also available through our mobile company search app. The whole process can take only minutes if done during normal business hours. Thank you for listening to me today. If you'd like to know more about the Companies Office, please visit us at www.companies.govt.nz.